reminded every time you see tractors parked at the Capitol that something special is happening here, right?
This is it. This is our identity back in southwestern Pennsylvania, back in Greene County from Rice's Landing. This is our third annual Blessing of the Balers.
Family, the people around this industry in PA that we're celebrating. We're blessing them, we're blessing this baler.
Hitch pins.
I never dreamt it would turn into this, being this big of an event. You're sitting here at the state capitol with, 200 horsepower tractors sitting on the road.
We drove this from New Holland when we did the timing calculations. So we just stay on the back roads so we don't impede traffic too bad and load up and roll.
100% American beef from Pennsylvania farms.
Absolutely. This is a day that I look forward to every year.
Bless the equipment, the balers, the tractors, everything, to make sure that we have a bountiful harvest, which is so important for Pennsylvania's economy.
It's our pathway, if you will, to get out of the situation we're in the Commonwealth. Ag's the #1 industry. We need that and the people to know that and appreciate that.
Good Pennsylvania beef.
Eat beef, not fake meat.
Beef is just what's for dinner. We work with the land for the consumer because we're only 1.5% of the population and we feed everybody.
It's become a tradition. I think it's a way to elevate both the importance of ag, but also it's a farm safety story.
Try to thank a farmer out there.